Hi, are you looking to get started on adding products to your store and sending them over to your Square site so you can start selling? You can go ahead and go into your store section, click Add Item. If you have product templates already created, I would advise you go to that section. You can then come into one of those products, such as this snapback. As you make those selections, just make sure all of those items that you chose as you created the product template are still correct. You can edit those right here. Click to proceed to mockups. Choose basic, and then it will give you various options. And as you can see, as I click here, it will share different options over here on the right. Some of them only have a couple options, some have a lot more. I usually pick the JPEG since they are smaller. I'll then click continue. Although it does not show up here, it will show up on your store. You can add information about on-demand manufacturing. You can add this if need be. You can remove anything you don't want to have, including information that you just don't think is pertinent. Perhaps you want to change the title. You can include the category of where that item is going to be, and then you set your pricing. If it's an item that has multiple sizes, you will see those here, but if it is just one that has one size fits all, then you will set it that way. You can set your retail price, you can increase the retail price by a certain dollar or percentage, or similarly decrease. So if we selected that and we chose percentage, we could come in here and select 20%. It's going to then be 20% over this and show your estimated revenue, or in a way, your profit. However, you can also just set the retail price to $25, for instance. Now, of course, went to percent. We'll go to dollars. And of course, there we are. We would make about $9 per hat. But of course, that is before paying shipping costs. And of course, there is a payment and pricing guide here. But you can go ahead and at this point, go ahead and submit that and send it to your store. Once you do that, your product actually goes right on over to your Square store, and then you have to log into your Square account in order to find that item in your dashboard, make it visible on your online store, and then it is there and ready to sell. And customers can go in, make a purchase, and that item will automatically be created and shipped to them. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.